Interior Group Therapy Center today. Cassandra is sitting in group, feeling a little morose about Olivia not being there. She looks through the empty chair, a little sad. It's just like in her vision. Someone wraps up their talk.
All right. Anyone else?
Cassandra raises her hand.
Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra.
Hi, Cassandra.
And I am cursed. I don't know why, but I'm cursed. And it's not fart mouth, it's knowledge. I know things I shouldn't know. I know it's going to storm this evening. I know Linus is going to get scammed out of some money. I know Susan is going to get a tattoo that she will hate. And you.
Me?
Yeah, I see your future too. It's clear as day. And it's long and happy, and that's because I'm there too. I've known her for 6 years. 6 years, Maximilian.
Carla, what are you doing?
6 years, 4 months, and 20 days we've been together. And for 6 years and 2 months, I've known that you're the person out of all the people on earth that I want to spend my life with. I've been patient, haven't I? After I've woken up day after day with my heart pounding high on my chest to the sound of your voice. I've swooned and floated down the streets of the city with my hand in your hand and danced ecstatically from the simple joy of being near. And still have to call you my boyfriend? Like you're some fly-by-night type of nothing subtly in space in my soul? Boyfriend? When could I call you my fiancé? And it's been fine because we've known from the get-go that what we have is so solid. And our relationship has only gotten better with time. And it's fine because I know that depths of my feelings run level into yours. And it's fine because I don't need titles or paperwork or sandwiches or rings to say that we'll be mean to each other. But I want it. I want to call you my fiancé and my husband, if only so that when I talk to other people about you, they know that it's for real. And I want that ring I know you have in your pocket. So please, my love, can you get it out so I can say my line?
You're not there yet.
Maximilian, will you marry me?
Interior bar, late afternoon. It's a bright sunny day. Then suddenly, it's raining outside. It is pouring. Cassandra waits by the bar. Alice enters, soaked through.
Man, heck of a storm came out of nowhere. I warned you about it, remember? Oh, right, yeah, I forgot. Anyway, I'm buying. I was screwed.
Cassandra smiles wanly as Alex takes off her dripping coat. Meanwhile, exterior streets, same time. Jeff is in a busy street. People are running about in the rain, unprepared for the sudden change in weather. Jeff looks around and opens an umbrella. He walks down the street, giggling as people scatter for shelter around him. End of pilot.
Yeah, well, so